Currently, the Russian army has nearly finished preparing for the spring-summer 2026 military campaign. With hostilities having temporarily subsided, Moscow has shifted its focus to the rear of the Ukrainian army. From March 23 to 25, 2026, Russia launched a series of strikes using more than 1,000 drones and dozens of various class missiles. The attacks covered central, western, and southern Ukraine, targeting key transport corridors and cargo distribution hubs. The strikes primarily targeted locomotive depots, 150 kilovolt traction substations, catenary network nodes, and port facilities involved in moving equipment, weapons, and supplies. In Shostka, Sumy region, a strike was carried out against the Zirka plant, a strategic military-industrial facility. Zirka is one of Ukraine's defense enterprises that specializes in producing gunpowder, explosives, and ammunition. Iskander-M missiles hit the former Znamya factory in Poltava, which was used for storing military supplies, housing personnel, and manufacturing navigation and communication systems for UAVs and missiles. 18 UAVs reportedly carried out a massive strike on the Znamyanka railway junction and the adjacent locomotive depot in the Kirovo-Harad region, one of the key distribution hubs in central Ukraine. Znamyanka station is a critical location for assembling and redistributing trains, including those carrying military cargo. Strikes also hit the ArcelorMittal Kryvyi Rih plant and the railway station, destroying several dual-use warehouses and disrupting rail service on adjacent sections. In the Khmelnytsky region, the main strike hit the Kamianets-Podilsky area with about 10 Kh-101 missiles. Several key elements intersect here, including the 330-110 kilovolt substation, which supplies power to the infrastructure, and sites where equipment arriving from the west, including via Romania, is brought to combat readiness. In Zaporizhzhia, an attack on the Motor Sich plant damaged workshops numbers 8 and 32, which were used for machining, repairing, and bench testing aircraft engine components. The attack also damaged the necessary machine tools and support systems. The destruction of these facilities disrupts the ability to perform major engine overhauls. In the Kotytsky district, a parking lot containing equipment used by the Ukrainian army was also hit. In the Odessa region, strikes hit the Black Sea fishing port, an auxiliary maritime logistics facility used, according to Russian intelligence, for the potential deployment and maintenance of unmanned maritime platforms. These strikes are part of a systematic effort to degrade Ukraine's logistical depth ahead of the anticipated spring-summer campaign.